What if I told you that you don't need to win the lottery, inherit millions, or start the next big startup to become rich? Yes, you can become a millionaire while working a regular 9-to-5 job. In fact, the majority of millionaires in America didn't get rich from flashy careers or viral success. They got rich by following simple financial principles. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to turn your paycheck into long-term wealth. So if you're serious about building a life of financial freedom, make sure you watch till the end. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a money-making strategy. Part 1. Change your money mindset. Becoming a millionaire starts with your mindset, not your paycheck. If you believe you're limited by your income, you'll never grow. But if you see your job as a tool, not a trap, you open the door to wealth. Stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an investor. The first step, pay yourself first. Before you spend a dime, invest a portion of your income. Even saving 15 to 20% of your salary can make you a millionaire with time and consistency. Part 2. Live below your means here. S a millionaire truth most people ignore. Wealth is about how much you keep. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean your car needs one too. Track your spending. Cut unnecessary expenses. Create a budget that lets you save and invest aggressively. Every dollar you don't waste is a dollar that can grow into 10. Part 3. Automate savings and investing. Next, make your money work without thinking about it. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Contribute to your 401, especially if there's an employer match. Open a Roth IRA and invest in low-cost index funds like the S&P 500. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month, no matter what the market is doing. Automation removes emotion, and emotion is what kills most people's financial plans. Part 4. Increase your income strategically. Saving is powerful, but earning more makes the process faster. Ask for a raise. Upgrade your skills. Take online courses in areas like coding, copywriting, or marketing. If you have time, start a side hustle, freelancing, online sales, or a service business. But remember, don't fall into the trap of working more just to spend more. Use your extra income to invest more, not buy more. Part 5. Time plus consistency equals wealth. Let's do the math. If you invest just $1,000 a month at an 8% return, you'll hit $1 million in around 23 years. If you can invest $1,500 a month, you'll get there in under 20. It's not a get-rich-quick plan. It's a get-rich-quick plan. Patience and consistency are more powerful than any stock tip or crypto hype. You don't need to quit your job or take huge risks to become wealthy. You just need discipline, a solid plan, and time. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. I'm building wealth. And remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, invest, and grow. See you in the next video.